Well, we just rolled into the Grand Blanc Truck Food Festival. I'm interested to see what's going on here. They have a lot of trucks already parked in the lot, as well as some music and dancing going on. So let's go see.
Cortina Local is basically our street version of our restaurant, which is Cafe Cortina. It's located in Farmington Hills, in between Orchard Lake and Middlebelt. And you can come get some fresh pasta. Basically, we use the same recipes that we use in the restaurant, and you can get it on the truck. But you see the prices for a much cheaper price in the actual Farmington location. Then we always do specials like slider specials or burger specials. And just, especially now in the summertime, we try to use as many ingredients from our garden as we can. So most of the vegetables here today used in the truck are from our garden, which is right in the back of the restaurant.
Chum 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 chum.